Men marry women with the hope they will never change. Women marry men with the hope they will change. Invariably, they are both disappointed. A strong woman can do anything by herself, a strong man doesn't let her. Boys think of girls just like books. If the cover doesn't catch their eyes, they won't even bother to read what's inside. Girls who speak more and boys who speak less have a deep love, and the pair of these two people is the funnest of lovers. Nearly 40% men don't feel confident when meeting a woman for the first time. Girls fall in love by what they hear, boys fall in love with what they see. That's why girls wear makeup and boys lie. If a guy stands with his legs apart while talking to a girl, it means he likes her. Boys love innocent girls more than beautiful girls. Girls love it when a guy pulls her close by the waist. Boys look for true friendship and girls look for true love, but in the end, boys fall in love and girls end up making them friends. Psychology claims that couples who fight a lot really love each other. I love you has a more emotional effect on the brain when it's whispered into the left ear. Guys go crazy over a girl's smile when they are attracted to them. Kiss on the forehead, we are cute together. Kiss on the cheek, we are friends. Kiss on the hand, I adore you. Kiss on the neck, I want you now. Kiss on the shoulder, you are perfect. Kiss on the lips, I love you. Women tend to feel love when talking face to face with their partners, whereas men feel emotionally close when they play or talk side by side. Men are attracted to women who smile but less so the other way around. Girls know how to fake a smile, boys know how to fake the feelings. When your mood is not good without any reason, you are definitely missing someone. Men prefer a pretty face over a pretty body in long-term relationships. If someone really loves you, they wouldn't let you slip away no matter how hard the situation is. When you fall in love with someone's personality, everything about that individual becomes beautiful. Psychology claims that if two past lovers can remain just friends, it's either they are still in love or never were. Men are more likely to help women with long open hair. Women's eyes speak a lot, and it's the doorway to her heart. Women do not like to hear even one word against their favorite person. If a girl loves a boy and he stares her deep in the eyes, it will make her knees weak. A kiss on her hand at the right time can be real turn on. A girl feels sad when she misses her love, but she will feel 100 times more sadder when she comes to know that the opposite person is not missing her. Every woman deserves a man who loves and respects her, and every man deserves a woman who appreciates his efforts. Women always search for the perfect guy who will do everything and anything for them. These are the qualities that a man should have to be attractive for women. When a girl talks to you about her problems, that doesn't mean she is complaining. It just means she really trusts you. Humor is associated with intelligence and honesty. This is why most women tend to be attracted to men with a good sense of humor. Women do not like lying at all, especially in relationship matters. Women want to be cuddled a lot. The best thing a man can do to a woman is to treat her body as he would like his own body to be treated and take care of her heart as if it was his own. A good woman comes in all shapes and colors. When you find her, adore her.